Hi everyone, today I have a pretty simple one. It's the double noose, which is just composed of two simple nooses which make these two adjustable loops. These were or are used to hobble animals, but it's still well worth learning because it's the starting knot for more complex ones such as the double eternity knot here, and also the heart knot. Okay, we want to start just by making a bite and then making another bite next to it, and then taking our left hand bite under the right or the right over the left, and then I just want to take this one and tuck it up through this lower loop, around and through, and if I pull both ends, one end will flip right around here and you'll end up with the double noose.